Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform hard reset on your earbuds Creative Aurvana Ace Mimi. You have to start by put your earbuds to the charging case, and after that right here at the bottom we have connection button. You need to press and hold it until you can see that this LED light starts flashing only red. Here we go. Now you can release your finger, and firstly we need to remove these earbuds from your phone. So click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. Also, if you have Android, click pair a new device, and after a hard reset, these earbuds enter to prank mode automatically, so we can see it right here at the device list. Click on it. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!